Hello friends, today we are making Mahatma Gandhi's portrait very easily using only number 2023. It's a very easy portrait of Mahatma Gandhi ji till now. Let's see. Firstly, we use pencil for rough sketching like this. We draw number 2 like this and number 0 and here above the number 2 we draw again big size number 2 like this. Remember carefully where I draw these numbers. And lastly we draw number 3 on the number 2 like this. Now pencil work is over, we don't need pencil. Now we take the eraser and erase the number 2 line inside the number 3. Now we take marker or sketch pen and simply outline these numbers like this. Like this we outline number 2 and number 0. We make Mahatma Gandhi's glasses. And simply outline the number 3 also. And now we outline the big size number 2. It's a very simple and easy portrait of Mahatma Gandhi ji using a simple trick. Please watch carefully and make this portrait step by step. Like this we can draw Mahatma Gandhi ji's eyes. Here are Mahatma Gandhi ji's eyebrows. Here mustache. Here is Mahatma Gandhi ji's smile. And like this we are joining the lines simply. Follow the all steps and very easily and simply you can make this Mahatma Gandhi ji's simple portrait using number 2023. Hope you like this video. If you like this Mahatma Gandhi ji's easy portrait, please share with your friends, and if you are new in our channel, do subscribe. Forget about my English because English is not my mother tongue. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you friends.